Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to another tutorial. Okay, so today I'll be explaining how the Photoshop environment, what it looks like. Okay, so just open your Photoshop after it's been installed. Click on it, it's going to open. Mine has already been installed. Then it's looking like this. These are the recent works I've already completed. If you want to start a new project, you just simply click on create new. But if you want to open an existing one, you use open. Or if you want to open a picture and work on a picture, just use open and it's going to open. So for today's tutorial, we're just going to use create new. So click on create new. To click create new, it shows you the next window which gives you different sizes of whatever you want to work with. So it's saved. You can check on your saved template already. If you want to open as a photo, just open a new document as a photo, or you want to print it, it gives you different sizes of whatever you want to print. If you want to design A4, you have the size here. A4, you have different sizes. So art and illustration, it gives you also different sizes and pixels. You want to design for web, you use the web size, which is web. You want to design for phones, you use mobile size, and film and video. So I'll just check on my recent work. So I would like to design something. Here you write the name of whatever you want to do. So let me just write tutorial 1, and then I leave the width as 2000, leave the height as 2000. Okay, so the resolution, I will maintain the resolution as 300. Here you can change the pixels. You can change it from pixels to inches to centimeters to millimeters, points, or pixels, depending on what the person you're designing for wants. So most times, if you want to design for banners, they usually might give in inches. So you just change it to inches and design whatever you want to design. Okay, so I'll leave my background as white and then I'll click on create. Once you click on create, it might load a little bit, then it opens this way. Thank you. Okay, in the next video I will explain how the environment, how to use all these tools and whatever. Thank you very much.